Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to fix the broken door sill trim clips on your Porsche Cayenne. If your door sill trim is about to fall off, it's because these little plastic clips are broken and need replacing. This is a pretty common problem on the Porsche Cayenne, and replacing these little plastic clips is quite easy. Let me show you. Before you can replace the door sill trim clips, there are a couple of things you will need. A small flathead screwdriver to pry the old clips from the trim, and a rubber mallet to install the trim and clips to the body of the car. Pry the old plastic clip from the door sill trim using a flathead screwdriver. After you have removed all of the old clips, it's now time to install the new clips into their mounting holes on the door sill. Before we install the trim with the rubber mallet, you'll want to align the yellow arrow of the trim piece over top of the red arrow on the white plastic clip. Once you have everything aligned, give it a good whack with the rubber mallet to finish the install. If the trim is not mounting to the body of the car, more than likely the red and yellow arrows from the picture are not lining up. Remove it and try it again. Here's another video of me struggling with the back door sill trim. This one was a little more difficult to install because it was completely removed from the car, which means I had to make sure the alignment of the plastic clip and trim were perfect. I'll admit, it took me a few tries to get it right, but in the end, I prevailed. And that's how you install the door sill rail clips on a Porsche Cayenne. See? That wasn't so bad. Now get out there and fix yours. If you thought this video was helpful, make sure you click that like button. So long.